Hello everyone, I am back with another new video on a GuidePad Academy. If you go to the Google and search the one thing, the which is the highest paying and hottest job available in the industry right now, you will be find the answer that is the data and AI. And from the last few days, we are seeing the more and more update on AI from a big tech companies like Google, Meta, Nvidia, OpenAI, and from other companies also. As we know, we use a lots of AI tool day to day life to just increase our productivity and increase our process. But how does the AI work? How we can build our own AI chatbot and AI tools? So in this video, you got the all answers of these questions by joining the 5 days Gen AI intensive course from Google. In this video, I'm going to tell you that how you can join the 5 days Gen AI training from Google. What is the benefit? What is the starting date? What is the starting date and what is the ending date? How long the registration process will be take? These all topics are covered in this video. But before starting the video, guys, I wanted to submit a one request to all of you. Please subscribe our YouTube channel. Click that bell icon so you will never miss any update from us side. So let's get started. If you see here, this is the 5 days Gen AI intense course from the Google. The starting date is a Monday 31st of March to a Friday 4 April. We have 6 days left for a registration also. And if you see here closely, and last year the 14,000 developer joined this course. So what do you learn in these 5 days? So motamoti what you learn in these 5 days? You will be learn the basic technologies and techniques behind the generative AI, how the generative AI work, how you can create your own Google ML research and engine. Also there is a one Gen AI capstone project in this course, so you are going to do that. If you enroll this course, what's your day-to-day routine? There is a daily assessment test. You will be receive the assessment test in your mailbox from Google. You have to be complete that assessment test on a paper, as well as there is a code lab AI studio from Google also. You have to do practical on that studio also. After that you have a discussion thread. What is the mean that? There is a one Kaggle discussion thread where the all the course member are come together and they discuss about their problems, how they can solve, and your mentor is also coming on that discussion. Live stream, you got a daily live stream from Google during this course. You will be find that live stream on a Kaggle's YouTube channel where the author and a course contributor come together. Also, if you have any problems or any query or any doubt, you can ask them in a live chat and they will answer you as soon as they see that. And at the end there is a one capstone project. You will be get a chance to work on a one capstone project. The capstone project is just like as a real world problem, but not 100%. It is just a small part of that real world problem. If you solve that capstone project, you will be a gainer knowledge of the how the real world coding problems are occur and how we can that solve. So let's go to the your syllabus. This is all your syllabus. For first day, you will be learn about the foundational model and prompt engineering. You will be learn about you will be going to learn about the LLMs, large language model. What is actually mean that? How can use these models in your AI model, in your AI to train your AI model. Also, you will be going to learn a prompt engineering in a day first. If you give the right prompt to the AI, they will definitely give you the desired best output as you want. The second day you will be learn about the vector storage and database. You will be learn the how you can use the vector databases and storage with the LLM technologies. In the third day you will be learn about the AI agents. As we know, we saw the more and more AI agents day to day life. In the day 3 you will be going to learn how you can create your own AI agents by using this all the technologies. In fourth day you will be going to learn a domain specified LLM, means it is a specialization for the domain oriented LLMs. In day 5 it is a ML of generative AI. You will be going to discover how you can use a vectors AI tool for your foundational model and generative AI. After that the capstone project will be goes live and you have to be a do that capstone project. After completing the capstone project you will be receive a certification from Google. After that you see there is a FAQ question, frequently asked question. The process of enrolling, you definitely got some questions. That question answer is available is all here with answer and question. Please go through this and check this all. Now we will go to the next step, that how you can enroll. Just click on here the registration button. After registration button, you should have to be sign in with your current Google account. Just click on next, enter your name and everything, register. You got registered for the 5 days Gen AI intense course with Google. You get the all the details in your registered mail ID. You find your Google Meet link, your task, your capstone project details, all the details you are going to be see on your registered mail ID. This is all for today. Meet you on a next video. Till keep learning and keep growing. Thanks for watching.